Hello everyone. So this is a quick video of how I went about creating an ad set for a WhatsApp campaign that I had to run for a client today. So this client is essentially sells footwear in India to Tier 2 and customers in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, cities like Coimbatore, in and around Madurai, little bit of Bangalore and Chennai as well, but mostly around Tier 2, Tier 3 cities. Is what he sells footwear for. So now I started by prompting, and this is what the first set looked like. So a couple of hacks uh, that I found that works for generating good images is uh, don't don't reprompt. Essentially, start a new conversation every time you want to change the design set. So if you see here, this is what I started with, and this is the second iteration. So for this, what I did was I used DeepSeek to generate the prompt for me, where it generated a little more detailed prompt. So that is one other hack that you can use, where you can ask uh, the prompt to be generated by DeepSeek or Claude or ChatGPT. It gives you a decently detailed prompt that will help you generate a better image. So this is the second version of the image. Uh, Now from here, what I tried to do was uh, I tried to make it a little more subtle, and you see that the image quality went down. One of the requirement from the client was that maybe we could add a person. So what I did was I reprompted it. So you see that I didn't add it to the chain. I have created a new design every single time by uploading the image that is in focus. So this was the first image that was created, right? So you can see here it created a model. The model is wearing the footwear that is shown in the image, and you can see it's actually quite perfect. The fingers are fine. They have 5 fingers. It's an Indian model because they sell to Indian customers. Uh, Now, once the base is ready, then you can keep prompting it and asking it to essentially make it better, right? So if you see here, this looks like more like a kurti ad, uh, and not a footwear ad. So from here we have gone to this, right? So once your base image is created, then you can essentially create something that is more specific for footwear. So this is what we have ended up with, where the footwear is in focus. So few hacks here. One, every time you want to change the design, start a new chat. Once your base template is ready, you can iterate over that. And the third is you can use ChatGPT or DeepSeek or Claude or anything as such for prompting. I'll be sharing more videos on how to make creatives uh, with OpenAI 4.0. If you want me to make any creatives for you for your brand and run WhatsApp campaigns, let me know. Happy to help. Thank you.